Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitch error 3000. Twitch error 3000 typically occurs when there is an issue with the Twitch app or your device's network connection, and here are some steps you can try to fix this error. First, you need to restart the Twitch app. First, open the Twitch app and simply close it off. And this can sometimes resolve temporary issues, and also you could check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is with your connection. You could also try updating the Twitch app. Go to the Play Store and open your Twitch app. Search for your Twitch app and ensure that you are using the latest version of the Twitch app. Update the app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Or you could also try clearing the app cache and the data. Go back and press the Twitch app like this. Go to the app information and select storage and cache from here. And in the bottom there's a clear storage option. Simply tap on that and tap on the OK, and you simply deleted the both datas. And sometimes you could also try restarting your device. Simply restarting your device can resolve issues with the app. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn back it on. And if possible, you could also try accessing Twitch on a different device to see if the issue is specific to your current device. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve Twitch error 3000 and get back to enjoying your favorite streams. This is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Twitch error 3000. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.